Okay, all right, we're gonna unbox this digital voice recorder that was sent to me to review. So this is the 64 gigabyte version. It comes in different versions. There's some information on the box that you can look at, but let's just talk about what's in the box first of all. So you're gonna get a USB to USB-C charging cable. That'll make sense in a second. You're also going to get some USB headphones and volume control here. You'll get an instruction manual that tells you a little bit about that. And then I'm actually wearing the device. You're gonna get the device itself. So it comes with this nice little handy keychain holder here. You can then connect that to the lanyard if you choose to as well, so you can wear it around your neck. It also has, let's see if I can make this stick, magnetic side, so you can stick this to a fridge or a desk or a table or a chair or something where you could just stick it on and record it, and it's super easy to use. So you can see here, hopefully if I'm right, let's hold it this way. So 64, you've got your on-off switch right there. I'm actually going to take it off the lanyard so I can get this a little bit closer. So you've got your on-off switch right there, 64 gig on-off. You've got your USB-C power where you would plug it in. So the minute I turn it on, you can see that the light will flash there. And once it flashes those 3 or 4 times, it's actually recording. So it can record up to 45 hours of continuous recording time, right? That's 65 gigabytes. It also depends on the quality that you're recording. The fully charged time will give you about an hour and a half of recording. I'm just going to go through some of the specs so you can see that you can use these to back up, copy the recording. You can put this on your computer, and it's got this kind of really cool built-in USB-C stick. So obviously it's saving everything in here, and you just plug this into your computer or your phone and pull those audio files off, and then this just tucks back right in there. So the recorder has a 32 to 1536 kilobyte rate. It can be set, it's built in omnidirectional. You can also have it be 360 degree recording, and it also has intelligent noise reduction. So if you have other things going on in the background, it'll reduce that noise. Depending on how you'd want to use the audio, the final edits, you may want to even reduce those even more. But the recorder can be used as a C-type. We already talked about that here. Which is compatible with an Android phone or computers, and hopefully soon iPhones as they move over to the USB-C. It comes with a Type-C OTG accessory to connect to the phone, which is these and this. And the last thing is the magnet, which I already showed you, but it can be put pretty much anywhere. And I don't have a lot of metal things in here. That's why I was connecting this right there, so that you can connect to. So a great way, very small to fit in your pocket. It's about 1.5 inches by 2 inches. So maybe the size of 4 dice. And the thickness there is about 1/2 inch, if you can see. And you know, there's my finger, first knuckle. So about 1.5 inches. You can see there. Anyway, super excited to use this, actually for work. Sometimes we have conversations that I want to take notes on later or type up notes later. You can use this to record those. So again, this is the digital voice recorder. This was the 64 gigabyte with the magnet and the 1 power record and turn on.